First, I soak 2 cups of dried chickpeas in the water for 12 hours or overnight. As we see here, it expands to more than 2 cups now. And then we'll cook this in instant pot for 15 to 30 minutes. Or if you don't have, you can also cook it in regular pan. Boil this for 90 minutes to 2 hours. Now in a blender, we'll add 2 cups of cooked chickpeas, 1/4 cup tahini, 1 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and salt to taste. While adding the water 1 tablespoon at a time until the desired smooth and creamy consistency is reached. Add 3 to 4 pieces ice. This helps with the smooth consistency and adds shine to our hummus. Smooth and creamy consistency is reached. Transfer to a serving bowl. We will even out the surface. And using a spoon, we will make an indentation in the middle. And then we'll add olive oil. And we have here smoked paprika and sumac. So we will need a fork. We will submerge the fork in olive oil, remove the excess, and dredge it to paprika, and then put it in different sides. We will clean the fork. We will do the same way with the sumac. Submerge to the olive oil, remove the excess, and dredge the sumac, and place it alternating sides. We will add cooked chickpeas for additional garnish. So this is ready. Now we will set it aside. We will now make our falafel. So in a blender, we will add a cube size of white onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and pulse the blender until coarsely chopped. We will then add 2 cups of chickpeas, uncooked chickpeas, and 1 cup parsley, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Blend it until well combined, and 1/4 cup olive oil. But still slightly chunky. Scraping down the sides of the blender as needed. Transfer the mixture to a large bowl. We will then add 3 tablespoons corn flour. We will mix it all well. Once it's mixed well, we will cover it with a cling wrap and chill for 30 minutes. In a hot pan, pour the cooking oil about 2 inch. Make the oil into medium heat. Once it's hot, we will scoop the falafel mixture and remove the excess and mold it into a ball and put it to the oil. We have here a falafel mold, but if you don't have this, you can also use 2 spoons. Scoop the falafel mixture into 2 tablespoon portions while gently rolling into a ball, and then put it into the hot oil. We will be working in batches. Fry the falafel balls in a hot oil for 2 to 4 minutes until dark golden brown. Then transfer to remove the excess oil. This is how the falafel mold looks like. This is the difference on how it turns out when using falafel mold or 2 spoons. Arrange on a serving platter. We'll garnish with parsley and we'll set aside with our hummus dip.
My husband can't wait to try it. Yum!
There you go, our falafel and hummus. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!